876, so we're live from Old Trafford in Manchester, Sir Matt Busby way. 20 Premier League titles, 3 Champions Leagues, a Europa Cup, UEFA Europa League, and so many countless English Cup titles in the FA Cup and also the League Cup as well. And I figured it's fitting to give an update on players of Jamaican heritage who play for this club, who are on loan from other clubs, and also individuals that used to play for this club. And the biggest of them all, Danny Simpson, former Manchester United player, Premier League winner with West Morgan at Leicester City in the 2015-2016 season. Danny Simpson has confirmed that he has never got a call up from the Jamaica Football Federation. He reached out on a handful of occasions, but no response was given. And Danny Simpson says, look, he'll be more than happy to get back if Jamaica gets him a call up, because he would love to don in the black, green and gold of Jamaica. Other updates coming your way is in the line of Dishon Bernard. Yes, that is right, Dishon Bernard. So he is still awaiting the Jamaica Football Federation to contact him, as he wants information in relation to the process to apply for a Jamaican passport. So he said that he wants to play for Jamaica. Now he needs help with the documentation. Look, no man is an island. There's a saying in life that says many hands make light work, and that is exactly the case for Dishon Bernard. Ethan Laird, same thing. Paul Hall had a handful of conversations with Ethan Laird as he's on loan at Queen's Park Rangers, and guess what? Ethan Laird is excited about the prospect of Jamaica, and similar to Dishon Bernard, Ethan Laird wants to play for Jamaica. He's eager to. So that's an update as it relates to players of Jamaican heritage at this football club, one of the greatest football clubs in the land of England. Might as well we work on our English lingo as well. Scran, food. Of course, when you're at United, you got to make sure that you're playing at this place. So you got to make sure that when you come to United and all those players, you just got to ensure that they work hard and everything like that. All right, guys. That's the latest right now from Stream 876. Much more content to come. Much more content to come. Stay tuned right here for more.
876 Stream. Bless up.